All right, so we're going to solve a pretty basic absolute value equation. We have an absolute value of blah, blah, blah equals 9. Whenever you have an absolute value equation, what you need to do is get the absolute value all by itself, which it is. Once you have that, what you do is you write out the complete left side, negative 3r and negative 3r. Now we're splitting this up into two separate equations because the absolute value could equal its positive version or its negative version. On the right side, we're going to have the original right side, and on the other right side, we're going to have its opposite. Okay, so we split this up into two equations, negative 3r equals 9 and negative 3r equals negative 9. And you solve each equation separately. Divide both sides by negative 3, divide both sides by negative 3. R equals 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. Easy peasy. Do the same thing over here. Divide both sides by negative 3, divide both sides by negative 3. R equals negative over negative is a positive, so positive 3. Now, before we're done, mentally check your work. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. The absolute value of positive 9 is 9. Checkarooski. Negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9, but the absolute value of negative 9 is positive 9. Checkarooski. So we have two answers. We have negative 3 and we have regular 3, and that's how you do a simple absolute value equation. Dunzo.